Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about account cashbook. That module will help you in printing XLS report. This module is depends on our module named base accounting kit, which is an accounting kit for the community version. So here we can see that this is an overview of this module. Base accounting kit module. So here we have options to print a bank book, cash book, and day book. And the cash book means that all the bill or the journals that is paid, paid through the cash is and the report is we can print through the cash book report. So on clicking print, we can see that report is print for PDF report is print for the cash book. We are going to install our module account cashbook, which will help in printing the XLS report for cashbook report. Going to apps. So when we now go to reporting and the cashbook, we can see that a new button has appeared on this visa. That means export to Excel, and this will help us in printing that Excel report for this cashbook. On clicking the Excel report, and we see that it will download, and here we can see that it's printed for that. Excel report is generated for that cashbook. So this is all about this module. This account cashbook module. Thank you.